Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Le 12 Hotel. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Le 12 Hotel located in Paris 8th district. The brand new Hotel Le 12 is just a 15-minute walk from Opéra Garnier and the department stores Galeries Lafayettes and Printemps in the Grands Boulevards area. It offers ensuite rooms with high-speed free Wi-Fi in a restored Haussmann building. The soundproofed guest rooms are decorated in warm and colorful tones. A flat-screen TV with satellite channels and facilities for making tea and coffee are provided in each room. Each room has a private bathroom with rituals, toiletries and a towel dryer. Every morning, Le 12 Hotel serves a continental buffet breakfast. Afterwards, guests can rent a bicycle from the hotel. Staff are available 24 hours a day to provide advice for visiting Paris. Gare Saint Lazare train station is 100 yards from hotel and provides connections for 5 metro lines. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.